Garlic growing, specializing in specific high-demand garlic varieties, e.g., Music Chesnok Red, Garlic Gold Rush. Why you need to grow these high-demand varieties now? Hold up, fellow growers and food fanatics. Forget everything you thought you knew about humble garden garlic. We're not talking about those bland imported bulbs you grab at the grocery store. Nope. We're diving headfirst into the elite world of specialty. High-demand garlic, the stuff chefs beg for and foodies obsess over. Get ready to turn your garden patch into a serious cash crop with two rockstar varieties, Music and Chesnok Red. This isn't just gardening, it's a gourmet game changer. And here's your step-by-step master plan to make it happen. Step 1, identify your garlic gold mine, the why. First, you got to know your star players. Why Music and Chesnok Red? It's simple, flavor and performance. Music garlic, the porcelain powerhouse. This hardneck variety is a cold weather champion, famous for producing massive, easy-to-peel cloves, usually just 4 to 6 per bulb, but they are jumbo. It's got a spicy kick when raw that mellows beautifully into a rich, full-body flavor when roasted. This is the chef's choice garlic, revered for its robust flavor and impressive size that makes kitchen prep a breeze. It's a jaw-dropper at the farmer's market. Chesnok Red, the baking boss. A stunning purple stripe hardneck. Chesnok Red is the undisputed best baking garlic on the planet. Why? Because it keeps its shape and develops an incredible non-acidic sweetness when cooked. Its gorgeous purple stripes make it an aesthetic winner, and it's a solid, reliable grower with a higher clove count, 7 to 10, than Music. This is the variety that will have food bloggers and home cooks singing your praises. These aren't just garlic. They are premium culinary ingredients. That's your angle. That's the demand. Step 2, secure the seed, the investment. You can't grow gold from grocery store scraps. Your first viral-worthy move is securing certified, top-quality seed garlic. Treat this like an investment in a luxury item because it is. You're planting your profits. Source wisely. Only buy from reputable growers or seed companies that specialize in heirloom, organic, or certified virus-free stock. You want the best genetics possible. Don't skimp here. A cheap clove is a lost bulb. Order early. These in-demand varieties often sell out months before planting time, late summer, early fall. You need to be on top of this like a hawk. Inspect. Once your bulbs arrive, gently break them apart into individual cloves. This is your seed. Only plant the largest, healthiest-looking outer cloves, bigger future bulb. The small inner cloves, save those for dinner. You're aiming for colossal bulbs, remember? Step 3, prep the perfect pad, the soil, spa day, sun. Pick a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Garlic loves to bask. Drainage is king, seriously. If water sits, your bulbs will rot. Amend your soil with tons of compost and well-rotted manure. This isn't just fertilizer. It's an aerating, drainage-improving powerhouse. Think fluffy, rich, black gold. pH, check. Garlic prefers a neutral to slightly acidic pH, around 6.0 to 7.0. A simple soil test is cheap insurance for a huge harvest. Step 4, drop the bombs, the planting protocol. This is the main event. The timing is crucial. Plant in the fall, about 4 to 6 weeks before your ground freezes solid. This gives the cloves enough time to develop a strong root system before winter dormancy, which is essential for massive spring growth. Depth and orientation. Plant each large clove root side down, flat end, and pointy tip up. This sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised. Plant them about 2 inches deep spacing. Give these babies room to grow into giants. Space your cloves at least 6 inches apart within the row. And keep rows 12, 18 inches apart. Don't crowd your rock stars. Mulch magic. Once planted, cover the entire bed with a thick, cozy blanket of straw or shredded leaves. Think 4 to 6 inches deep. This mulch is non-negotiable. It protects the cloves from freeze-thaw cycles, keeps the soil moist, not wet, and suppresses those annoying weeds that steal nutrients. Step 5, the Scapegate scandal, the crucial cut. Spring rolls around, and your beautiful music and Chesnok Red hardnecks will send up a curling, magnificent flower stalk called a scape. This is where most first-time growers mess up, but you won't because you're in the know. Golden rule: when the scape makes its first full curl, cut it off. Why? If you leave the scape, the plant puts its energy into making a flower and tiny bulbils instead of swelling the delicious bulb underground. By cutting the scape, you force all that plant energy back into the main bulb, leading to those brag-worthy jumbo bulbs you're after. Bonus content: don't waste the scape. They taste like a mild garlicky green bean and are a viral ingredient for garlic scape pesto. That's your first product launch. Step 6, feed the beast, the final push. Garlic is growing fast through spring, and it is hungry. This is the bulking phase that determines your final size. Nitrogen boost. In early spring, just as the shoots emerge, give them a nitrogen boost in a blood meal, composted chicken manure, or a high nitrogen organic fertilizer is the ticket. Consistent watering. Keep the soil consistently moist like a wrung out sponge. During the final 4 to 6 weeks of bulb swell, late May, early June. This is when your bulbs transform from meh to monster. Stop watering about 2 to 3 weeks before harvest. Stop all irrigation. This helps the outer wrappers dry out and toughen up, which is crucial for long-term storage and curing. Step 7, the epic harvest, the money shot. You waited 9 long months for this moment. Don't guess. Look for the telltale sign. When to harvest: when the lower 3-4 leaves have turned yellow or brown, and only 4 to 6 top leaves are still green. Harvesting too early means small bulbs. Harvesting too late means cracked wrappers and poor storage. It's a sweet spot. Dig, don't pull. Gently use a pitchfork or shovel digging well outside the bulb to lift it out of the ground. Don't yank it by the stem. You'll break the neck and ruin its storage life. The reveal: shake off the excess dirt and behold your bounty. Those enormous music bulbs and the richly colored Chesnok Red bulbs are ready for their close-up. Step 8, cure your crop, the storage secret. You've grown the best garlic in the world. Now don't ruin it. Curing is essential to dry the wrappers, lock in flavor, and make it last. The hang: move your newly harvested garlic, stems and all, to a shady, warm 75-90 degrees and well-ventilated space. Hang them in bundles. Airflow is your best friend right now. Wait. Let them hang for 3-6 weeks. The necks will dry, belch, the wrappers will tighten, and the roots will shrivel. Trim and store. Once cured, trim the roots and cut the stalk about 1 inch above the bulb. Store your premium bulbs in a cool, dark, dry area around 55-65 degrees. Music is known for great storage. Chesnok Red is reliable for about 6 months, which is still fantastic for a hardneck. This is your roadmap to growing specialized, high-demand garlic. You're not just growing food. You're cultivating a premium product with a powerful story: the jumbo cloves of music and the incredible roasting sweetness of Chesnok Red. Get ready for a harvest that breaks the internet and fills your pantry. I can help you with crafting a viral-style social media content plan for your harvest, focusing on the unique selling points of music and Chesnok Red. Let me know in comments if you like my idea. Dig, don't pull. To remove the bulb from the earth, carefully use a pitchfork or shovel to dig a good distance around it. You'll ruin its storage life and snap the neck if you tug on the stem. The reveal: remove the extra dirt and see what you have. The big music bulbs and the vividly colored Chesnok Red bulbs are now ready for their close-up. The storage secret is the cure for your crop in step 8. You've cultivated the best garlic in the world. Don't let it go to waste. To dry the wrappers, seal in the flavor, and increase its shelf life, curing is necessary. The hang: transfer your freshly picked garlic, stems and all, to a cool, shaded, and well-ventilated area with a temperature range of 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Hang them in bunches. At this moment, airflow is your best ally. The wait: give them 3 to 6 weeks to hang. The roots will shrivel, the wraps will get tighter, and the necks will dry. Cut and store. Cut the stalk 1 inch above the bulb after it has healed, then trim the roots. Keep your high-quality bulbs at a temperature of 55, 65 degree in a cold, dark, and dry place. Music is renowned for its excellent storage capacity. For a hardneck, Chesnok Red is still a fantastic choice because it lasts for 6 months. This is your guide to producing niche, in-demand garlic. You're not only growing food, you're also producing a high-quality product with a compelling narrative, the massive cloves of music, and the amazing roasting sweetness of Chesnok Red. Prepare for a harvest that will fill your kitchen and break the internet. I can assist you in developing a viral style plan for your harvest with an emphasis on the distinctive selling features of music and Chesnok Red. If you like my idea, let me know in the comments.